Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact route and the goal length of your travel video. This defines pacing and key waypoints. Open Google Maps, switch to satellite and 3D tilt for depth, and remove unnecessary overlays. Once done, prepare your capture software at 60 FPS and 1920x 1080 to ensure smooth movement. Test a short push-through to confirm visual quality. Make sure your system prevents pop-ups and notifications, because interruptions break the recording. Now you create the motion. Plan keyframes at major landmarks and estimate travel time between them so pacing feels natural. Use smooth, eased pans and gradual zooms. This reduces motion sickness and reads better to viewers. Once you've recorded a steady fly-through, capture additional passes for close-ups and slowed segments to highlight points of interest. These give the editor flexibility. Also, record a narration or ambient audio separately so you can mix cleanly without in-app sound artifacts. Finish by importing captures into your editor, assembling the fly-through clips and overlaying close-ups at landmarks to reinforce the story. You should apply gentle stabilization, speed ramps to match music tempo, and color adjustments for consistent look. Export using H.264 or HEVC with a high constant bitrate for clean motion. Include a small map legend and credits. If you encounter jitter or stuttering, reshoot with a slower pan speed or apply stronger digital stabilization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.